Have you ever wondered what a country's national bird says about its people, its history, and its values? From the soaring eagles of powerful nations to the tiny, colorful hummingbirds of tropical paradises, national birds are more than just feathered mascots. They are living symbols woven into the very fabric of a nation's identity. Today, we're re-embarking on a global journey to meet some of the world's most iconic national birds and uncover the fascinating stories they have to tell. So, grab your binoculars and let's take flight. Our first stop is North America, home to one of the most recognizable national birds in the world, the bald eagle of the United States. Don't let the name fool you. This magnificent raptor isn't bald at all. Its name comes from an Old English word, balde, meaning white-headed, chosen as the national emblem in 1782. The bald eagle is a powerful symbol of strength, freedom, and independence. You can see its image everywhere, from the Great Seal of the United States to coins and banknotes. For Native American cultures, the eagle has long been a sacred bird, its feathers considered powerful spiritual tools, connecting the earthly world with the divine. Seeing a bald eagle soaring effortlessly through the sky is a truly awe-inspiring sight, a living testament to the wild spirit of America. Next, we journey south to Latin America, a continent bursting with vibrant color and life. Here, we find the stunning Andean condor, the national bird of several countries, including Colombia, Ecuador, and Bolivia. This is a bird of immense proportions, boasting one of the largest wingspans of any land bird on Earth. It can soar for hours on air currents, high above the Andes Mountains, without even flapping its wings. In Andean mythology, the condor is a sacred animal, representing power, health, and liberty. It was believed to be the messenger of the upper world, a creature that could fly to the land of the gods and bring back messages for humanity. The Andean condor embodies the majestic and untamed spirit of the Andes, a symbol of the enduring connection between nature and culture in this incredible region. Let's cross the Atlantic to Europe, where history and mythology are deeply intertwined with the natural world. Our destination is Scotland, and our bird is the legendary golden eagle, while Scotland's official national animal is the mythical unicorn. The golden eagle is widely celebrated as its national bird. This powerful predator reigns over the rugged highlands and remote islands, a symbol of strength and royal authority, known as Iolair Booty in Scottish Gaelic. The golden eagle has been a clan emblem for centuries, representing courage and nobility. In ancient folklore, it was often seen as a king of the birds, a messenger between gods and mortals. Watching a golden eagle hunt in the dramatic landscapes of Scotland is to witness a piece of living history, a symbol of the wild, untamed soul of the nation. Now, we head to the diverse and spiritually rich continent of Asia, specifically to India, to meet the spectacular Indian peafowl. The male, known as a peacock, is famous for its breathtaking tail feathers, a shimmering fan of iridescent blues, greens, and golds that it displays during courtship. This incredible display has made the peafowl a symbol of beauty, royalty, and grace throughout Indian history. In Hinduism, the peacock is the sacred mount of the god of war, Kartikeya, symbolizing power and victory. It's also associated with the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi, representing prosperity and good fortune. The bird's call is said to herald the coming of the monsoon rains, a vital event for an agricultural nation. The Indian peafowl is not just a bird, it's a vibrant, living part of India's cultural and spiritual landscape. Our journey takes us further east to the land of the rising sun, Japan, to find the elegant green pheasant, or kiji. This beautiful bird is endemic to the Japanese archipelago and holds a special place in the country's folklore and art, though it wasn't officially declared the national bird until 1947. Its significance dates back centuries. The green pheasant is a key character in one of Japan's most famous folk tales, Momotaro or the Peach Boy. In the story, the brave pheasant joins Momotaro on his quest to defeat a band of demons, embodying courage and loyalty. This connection to a beloved national story has cemented the pheasant's place in the hearts of the Japanese people as a symbol of bravery and faithfulness. Its image is a common motif in traditional Japanese art, a subtle but constant presence in the nation's cultural identity. Next, we fly down under to Australia, a land of unique and wonderful creatures. Here, the national bird is the emu, the second largest bird in the world by height. This flightless giant is a true survivor, perfectly adapted to the harsh Australian outback. The emu is featured on Australia's coat of arms alongside the kangaroo. A fun fact is that neither the emu nor the kangaroo can easily move backward, which is said to symbolize a nation always moving forward, progressing. For Indigenous Australians, the emu is deeply significant. It features prominently in their dreaming stories, astronomy, and traditional ceremonies, representing creation and the celestial realm. The emu is a powerful emblem of endurance, resilience, and the ancient enduring spirit of the Australian continent. Our final destination is the island nation of Trinidad and Tobago in the Caribbean. This country is unique in that it has two national birds, one for each island. For Trinidad, it's the dazzling scarlet ibis. These birds are famous for their brilliant scarlet plumage, which they get from the pigments in the crustaceans they eat. Watching flocks of them return to their roosts in the Corone swamp at sunset is an unforgettable spectacle, painting the sky red. For Tobago, the national bird is the rufous-vented chachalaca, locally known as the croco. This bird is more heard than seen, with a loud, raucous call that often echoes through the forest at dawn. Together, these two birds represent the unique and diverse natural heritage of the Twiniland nation, a vibrant symbol of its colorful culture and lively spirit. From the majestic eagles of the Northern Hemisphere to the colorful parrots of the tropics, national birds offer a unique window into the soul of a country. They are symbols of freedom, power, beauty, and resilience. They connect people to their history, their land, and their deepest held values. These feathered ambassadors remind us of the incredible biodiversity of our planet and the rich tapestry of human culture that celebrates it. They are so much more than just birds. They are the stories of nations, told with wings and song. Thank you so much for joining me on this amazing avian adventure around the world. What's your country's national bird, and what does it symbolize? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear its story. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more explorations into the wonders of our world. Until next time, keep looking up.